Let's Celebrate a Zero Waste Christmas is a project made by students from 6 different countries: France, Finland, Bulgaria, Italy, Romania, and Catalonia. We are working together in the Erasmus Plus project called SDGs Action.
We focus on SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, and we decide to join the European Week of Waste Reduction by presenting good way to reduce our waste during Christmas.
We enjoyed the project a lot. We had great fun working together and we learned to live our festivals in a sustainable way. And last but not least, we spread the message all over the world.
We learned a lot of things during this project, but the thing that is the most important is how to celebrate a party or a festival with zero waste.
Christmas is always a wonderful moment.
And this year it was even more meaningful.
With our friends all over Europe, we thought of a sustainable Christmas.
A zero waste Christmas.
Pigs, plastic bottles, scrap of fabric, toilet rolls.
They all became useful materials
For our zero waste nativity scene.
At first it felt boring, but then I got excited because recycling is important.
Good point. I totally agree.
For the Christmas, we made an artificial Christmas tree. And with this, we protect the woods and we made a small step to stop the global warming.
We have an artificial Christmas tree and we use it every year.
Let's